This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly edit and share your video clips on your PlayStation 5 so you can share it to your friends or the PlayStation app. So after you captured your gameplay, you can hold down the share button and open up the screen, and then you can go on over to your video clip right here in the bottom left. Select this. Then you can go ahead and just start viewing it. So I have a video clip right here of me sniping, and I'm not getting any headshots on this person, even though they're like standing still and it's right on them. So I can go over to a video clip. Let's go to this video clip right here. I have the option to share it, edit it, favorite it, or delete it. So I'm going to go to the edit option, and then I'm going to trim this. So under here we have the option to trim and then set a cover image. So let's go to trim and then scroll on through here. So find the section you want to go ahead and just cut out. So let's press X to start here, and then go to the end of the clip too. So it looks like I am done with my sniping right about here. Press X, then go to end here, and then we can go to save. And we have two options. We can replace the original clip with the clip that we have, or we can create a new clip, save new right here. So the old clip will still be around. You are just saving a new copy. So let's go to replace original. And this is going to delete the old clip and then only have the new clip. Once we have this, if we really want a cover image, if we're going to be uploading this to YouTube or something, we can make a thumbnail under here. We can add text or something if we really want to do that. I'm not going to do that, but now what we can do is go to done, and my new clip should be at the front now. This is what I just edited. It's 18 seconds, and we can go to the share option now. And we can go on down to YouTube if you have that link. You can upload it instantly right here. You can just make a throwaway YouTube account just to share clips with your friends. Or you can go to one of your community groups that you have on your PlayStation. So let's just share it to the B team right here. But as you can see, you can select an individual or a group. So I'm just going to go to a group, share it here, and put in something in here. Let's use the voice chat on here. Just try the text to speech. Me sniping and missing every shot. And I don't think that was working because I have the wrong microphone on here. So what you could do is use the voice chat just to use text. So if I go on over to my microphone, I want to switch this over to my wireless controller real quick, and then I'll go back to this. And this is really cool. I'll show you what we can do. Let's go to share, choose the B team. Now we can enter a message, and then we can go to the voice icon right here. Me sniping and missing every shot. And it's not working, but maybe your headset's on, and you can try that out and see if it works, and then you can send it over to your friends. And now it's uploading. You can go to the downloads and uploads right here, and you can see the progress of your clips. So it looks like this one is uploading to my mobile application already. So if you upload it to the mobile application, you can easily select the clip and download it to your phone, and then go to the Discord application and then share it to a Discord party chat under there. So that is a very good option, just to share it to like Instagram or Facebook from there, because you can download it on your phone under the Captures app. I think the application is called PlayStation app. Go ahead and get that, and you can download the capture. And here's the one that's going to be uploading to my specific group. So once it's shared under there, we can just go to the game base, then go to messages and find the group, and it's going to be shared under here. So I shared a clip under here. I can go ahead and select this now, and all my friends in here should be able to see this. So you can see I shared it, and it was uploaded rather quick. Let's go ahead and like it so my friends can see that now, even on their phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.